This is our current kitchen, and the idea is to move the microwave from above the stove to this bank of double ovens. So we have removed the cabinet doors that were up on top and the drawer that was below, so that we can move the ovens down and so that the microwave won't be too high. Here's the drawer over here. So after that, we're going to order a hood vent and install it ourselves above the stove right now, and then we're going to also change the backsplash and paint the cabinets. And so we're thinking of going gray with the cabinets because of the granite is like grayish green and this brownish look. So now we're about to move the Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time. A lot of you guys have been checking on me, see if I'm okay, and I am. Thank you for checking. I've just been busy with this amazing kitchen renovation that we did. We did 99% of everything by ourselves, my husband and I. And this is the finished result. So let me just walk you through what we did. Basically, the kitchen that we had before was nice enough. It was really nothing wrong with it. We had brown cabinets that were 42 inches, but they didn't go all the way to the ceiling. And so I wanted something a little bit cleaner, brighter. I just felt like the brown made the room very dark. And so basically, to update everything, we decided to take the cabinets to the ceiling, as you can see here. We also decided to paint the cabinets white, and that just brings a whole lot of light into the room. So these are the existing cabinets. We painted those. We carried them up to the ceiling. We put the glass fronts in to those, and then hubby also put the LED lighting that you can change the colors to whatever color you want. So you can change it to pink, orange, red, green, purple, whatever you want. So that was amazing. Another thing that we did is we moved our microwave. Used to be right there above the stove. We moved that over here to the bank of double ovens, and so we took out a drawer that was at the bottom and dropped the ovens down so that the microwave wouldn't be too high. So basically it's still the same height that it was before, just in a different area. Another amazing thing that hubby did is run the plumbing and add the pot filler that you see over there. So that makes it easy when we are doing a big pot to just easily fill our pan on top of the stove. And then another main thing that we did is we also changed out the ceramic glass cooktop that we had, which was just flat. We went ahead and changed that to the gas stove that we have here, the gas burners, which is really a lot nicer, I think. And we also did the same, just changed the butler's pantry into the same type of cabinetry. Here we go, that's a better view. And then everything was starting to look a little bit bland. So for our island, we decided to do a pop of color. The island was just a brick island with the cabinets on the side, and then we wrapped everything in wood and changed it to this beautiful teal color. I also have always wanted a built-in bench seat in the kitchen, and since I love to read so much, this was my opportunity to have a place, a cozy nook in the kitchen where I can read a book on a rainy day and look outside and just relax. So we added this bench seating. The doors actually open and there's storage inside. And then we also added this cabinet over here for placing cookbooks and knickknacks, all the things that I collect over time. And the drawers on that cabinet match the color of the island, just to tie everything in together. Now another major part of this remodel was this triple door that you see here to the patio. This used to be just one door that was just like a half glass panel, and so that contributed in making the room a lot dark. So we had to get help here, and we just want to thank Jay's Construction. That's my husband's brother. Jay's Construction out of North Carolina came and helped us put in this huge 9 almost 10-foot doors, and they're just amazing. Now the kitchen is always super bright, which is what I love. And I also went ahead and changed out my kitchen nook table to a smaller one that that I feel like went better with the new theme. And so that's what we have here now. So guys, before we did this reno, there were so many things that I didn't know about construction, about how long it's gonna take and how to do crown molding, but you can literally teach yourself. Like, we literally did every little piece of crown molding around the room, at the top of the cabinets, ourselves. So don't be afraid to try new things, guys. You can definitely always learn. It's never too late. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave me a comment below, and I'll see you in my next video.